Hey guys, welcome back to Getting Garage, and today I want to show you how to do something very simple. Before that, hit like, hit share, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up on my video. Let's get rocking, right? So today we're gonna show you how to change the door handle and the door lock from one car to another. This one is there, but it's not connected. I have to open the door. So this one right here is open. And all right, I'm gonna have to take this out to show you, but we're gonna change that door handle to this door handle right here for the new Integra that we're building right there. This one's open. So this one is a manual. I'm gonna take out the top, but this is a manual door. That means it's not an electronic door like that one is. I'm going to show you how to change both of them. Very easy. First, I gotta get some tools. Stand by. So, alright guys, what you're gonna need is basically a flat screwdriver, screw, little small flathead. In my case, I need this too, so I convert it. And of course, a 10mm. Now, after you take your door panel off, this right here, you gotta take it off. Cool. Always save these. So it's a 10mm bolt right there. We're gonna 10mm bolts out. Put it on top of the car. Now the car's kind of loose. We're gonna pop it open. Let's see if this one comes out near nice. You can see it's already moving. Now this is where comes the tricky part. You gotta wiggle it. No. Oh man, broke on me. So, damn it, it broke. Wow. Damn. There goes my video. It broke. Well, let's move on to something else. Damn, what? It broke. Shit. Oh well. Let's move on to something else, right? Alright guys, look. It does work when you do it right. This one was in that car, but unfortunately it broke. So I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna take all this shit out. Open the trunk and start moving shit around. That's the door panels going to this car. The other door panels in the other side of that car. So I gotta move shit. Basically, is what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this right here. You can see right here, that little stick. It's up, and in here, this other fella right here. If you can see it, that's the one that goes here. First thing we're gonna do, sorry guys, I wish I had another extra hand, but I'm doing this by myself. Up like this, and then make sure that they're not crashing inside. One goes in front of it, the other one goes, see, one goes out here, so you put that to the side. So this is how we're gonna do this, sir. Grab it like this. If your car is painted, you want to might put some tape around it and stuff like that so you don't scratch it. Some people take it from here. I don't trust that because it's old and they might not come back to normal after you take them apart. and you're gonna have problems. So it's gonna take a while, or a minute. So you can screw this on. There we go. So this one's gonna go down about to here, and just gonna put it here. Keep going. A little bit more, but you see how I pull it up so you don't scratch none of your paint? All right. So when you get it right about there, you stop. Then you have to bring it in a little bit here like that. This is where you might scratch your door handle, because there we go. Boom, boom. You put it in place. Now the door handle's in place for now. Now we gotta go get the 2 screws that hold in here, the number 10, and I attach that little extra clip. And this baby is done. You see that big boy coming over here? I call him the old man. What's up, old man? Come here, Lasso. That's what I call my old man right there. Like, wow, who you calling old, Dad? That's my boy, Lasso. All right, guys. So under here, you're gonna have a hole right here. Usually it's covered with one of these. And you got 2 number 10. I'm gonna do my best with the camera to put everything together. So right here is a bolt. I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna do it by hand first. If you got skinny hands, you know, you can do this better. But you got fat ass hands like me. I already put one in. It helps better if somebody holds the door handle on the other side. Somebody holding the door handle on the other side would be better. There we go. Okay. I want to get this going real quick. I want to put it in setting number 1. I want to break that little, you see right there, you see where the clip goes. So right here, I'm trying to do 2 things, holding too many things at one time. Right there, I want to put that door back in, hopefully. One shot. I'll have to put you guys down. Alright, he's about to come out. Like I was saying, I got everything here from K parts. My K parts in here, fenders, an extra hood for the CRX, 2 transmission, 3 in here. I got a bunch of parts in here, harnesses and stuff like that. So tomorrow, I'm gonna continue the video tomorrow, but tomorrow what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the side skirts out of this one, put it on that one. I gotta take the wheels off, put on that one the brakes, put on that one. I'm not taking the shrimp off the trunk, because that one is in better condition, but I don't want to cut the harness or nothing, so that stays right there. Body wise, this one got a little bit better body, and this one got banged up in the Hurricane, but I like this body better. A little dent right here that can be pulled out, scratches to the fender, and the door handle right here, and then door handle I can pick, and they got only one rough spot, and it's in that corner over there. Somebody can fix it. I'll pay for somebody that can weld something or do something about it. I take all the stickers off, and I'm still not decided if I'm taking this or the other one with me. On this car, in the engine bay, I had to take the motor mounts off, completely off, and that little piece in the middle, and that'll be it on this car. I'm missing the master cylinder over here, but guess what? I'll tell you right now. I got it right here, and the one that I got right here is from this one right here. It's from a Honda S2000. And how I know that? Because I bought it OEM from a Honda S2000. I never put it on, and I have this extra plate, so I'm putting this on this car because it's missing it. I'll find the bolts later. Okay. This one is not missing, it's right there. But I'm gonna change it for this one. So I'm gonna put that one instead. It is missing the reservoir. I do have one in there. I can do that too if I don't want to put that one on. But my Type R clone project is on the way. If I can get all the harness and put it on here, I can drain later on, maybe next week. I can drain the fuel, the oil for new fuel, new spark plugs. I got a new fuel pump I can put on, and I can get this car started. If I do, that'll be pretty cool. Bleed all the brakes. I'll be running the way it is to the road, and then, you know, get some tires or something. That'd be cool, man. Right? Cool. All right, guys. So that's gonna be it. Tomorrow morning, you're gonna see me working on that car again, and that'll be on the clone over here. I mean, on the red one, taking out the engine harness. I mean, not the interior harness, all the way to the back and the dashboard too, and then put it into that one, and hopefully everything goes well. I can put the battery, turn the key on, and boom, the car will start up. All right, guys, peace out. I'll see you later.